How do I modify the mobile menu for my premium WordPress theme? Well, let me show you what I'm referring to. If we take a look at one of our premium WordPress themes, this is the online dating theme. Okay, if we zoom in, so let's inspect the page and we reduce the page size, you can see at the bottom, we have what we call a mobile menu. And this is displayed when the viewer is using a browser that's obviously very thin and also on a mobile device. So how do we change the menu items? Well, first thing we do is we log into the dashboard, we click on PremiumPress, we click on settings, and the fifth one down, we've got this option here called mobile menu. As you can see, we have a preview here as well to make it easier for you to modify this menu. So you see, very self-explanatory. The first one is the icon, so I can click the icon and set a different icon. Okay, I can change the caption, so I just do test. Okay, with the link and then a big, which refers to this big button. So if you wanted this one to be the big button, I would click this and then save the changes. And as you can see now, the icon has changed. It's now a big button, and obviously the link would be when somebody clicked on that button there, it would take you to this link. So very quick tutorial. This is how you change the obviously options in the bottom. Now if we go back to the home page as well. Okay, again we're going to zoom in, and you can see at the top we have what we call a mobile link, so a mobile menu here. Okay, and this opens a menu on the left hand side. Now if I wanted to change the options here, let me quickly show you. We have what we call a mobile menu, so this is navigation and some options. So let's go ahead and modify that. Okay, so let's go to the admin area. Okay, the menu items, for example, these items here. Okay, this is all controlled under appearances, menus in WordPress. Okay, we would add a new menu, we give it a name, mobile. Okay, you can see some menu settings here. We would set the mobile device, and this will be there'll be multiple options available if you're using different languages. So again, mobile device, we create the menu. Okay, and we just add some items to that menu. Okay, give it a change, give it a save, give it a refresh. Okay, inspect the page again so we can preview it. Okay, and as you can see, my items are now visible on the left hand side. Now remember, a lot of mobile devices do not support multi-level navigation, which means if you do not add any sub-level like items here like this, it's just not recommended, because the whole point of the mobile menu is to help people on mobile devices, and by adding sub-menus like this, you're making it harder for them to use it. So keep everything at top level. Okay, some additional options you can find under PremiumPress. Okay, design. Okay, sidebar settings. So there are additional options here. For example, you can change the actual color. So for example, we've got top and bottom. If I want to change the top section color to red, okay, just save the changes. Give it a refresh. Okay, just going to zoom in, preview it. Okay, so you can see the background and navigation is now in a different color. Again, you can turn off some of the language bar options, some of the buttons, etc. if you didn't want them there, etc, etc. So that's how you modify the actual mobile menu. That's a very quick tutorial because mostly this is very self-explanatory and covered in different videos. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll keep creating content just like this one. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.